Hello and welcome, guys. Today I have started a new weekly Tech Talk series. Here, every week I will bring something open source, easy to use, and free to use platform which could help developer for better and easy work development. Today I am going to talk about how can we use free window cloud hosting and free Microsoft SQL Server hosting. For this, we are going to use GearHost application. So go to GearHost. You can type in the browser gearhost.com. GearHost is a platform as service cloud built for .NET, PHP, and Node.js developer who need to launch and scale their application quickly. So here you can directly create a free account by giving email ID and password, and a verification email will send to your given email ID. You just need to active. So here I already created one account. Let's log into the account. So today I have created one HTML form. Here in the desktop I kept this one a login form. Okay, I'm going to deploy this in the cloud host. So once you log into the GearHost application, here you can see in left hand side is a cloud website database domain. So first I'm going to cloud website. So click on our cloud website. So here you can see first one is 0 for .NET and PHP, and some other packages are there like $5, $25, $50 per month. You can choose as per your requirement. But if you are a developer like me and want to test your application in a live environment, just like live environment, then you can create one website here and you can host your application. So here I'm going to create, let's say, YouTube. So I'm just giving my YouTube. So the domain name will be like this. Let's copy paste the domain name my YouTube and this one .gearhostpreview.com. So create cloud website. Here give the domain name, click on create. Wait for some time. Here you can see it's building my website. Once website is built, we can create the FTP account and we can host our application. I'm going to host this HTML page inside this newly created cloud site, and the URL will be this one. So let's copy this URL. Okay, it's building. So here you can see my website is created. Click on this website name. You can get the details of the website. Okay, now click on publish. You can find the FTP setting. So in publish section you can see the FTP host name. Let's copy paste this host name. This is the user ID and this is the password. So we can publish our application from GitHub, from Bitbucket, from Visual Studio, from FileZilla. So I am going to use as a HTML file, simple HTML file. I'm going to use FileZilla. So this is my website name. Copy paste this website. So let's see. So you can see your cloud site has been successfully created. Now let's upload this index.html from my desktop. Upon FileZilla, so this is my host name, my username, and this is my password. Quite a long password, guys. Connect. Once you connected, right hand side you can find the site. Upon the site you can find www.root. Upon www.root, delete this hosting start.html. So in my desktop I have that index.html file. So this is the index.html. Right click and upload. It's uploaded. Now this site, just refresh this site again, so you can see this is my local desktop from desktop, and this is from the cloud website. So in this way we can create a cloud website and upload a demo site. Next, we can create SQL server also. Go to database. For that we need our SQL server also. Let me open my SQL server client instance. No need of FileZilla now. So you can see in my account there are no database currently. Click on the create database. So same thing, you can see MS SQL free per month. It's 10 MB storage unit, and it's $5 per month. 10 GB storage unit, and other database are there, MySQL and MongoDB. So I'm going for MS SQL. Let's say giving U2DB. Let's copy paste this database name. Okay, it's available. Click on create database. Oh, sorry. Click on here. So you can see database collation. Also you can choose. I'm keeping it as by default. Create empty database. Click on this create empty database. So my database name is, I've created U2DB. Wait for some time. So you can see this is the database has been created, U2DB. This is the database host name. Just copy paste the host name into your notepad, and username is same as database name, and password, just click on this view password. This is the password. Okay, let's connect this Gear host database from our SQL server. So this is our host name. Go to SQL Server SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Give the host name in the server name, user ID, and password. So you can see it's already got connected. Let it load the server list or server node. So we have U2DB. So you can create tables. You can do some operation up to 10 MB. Guys, this free version is only for the testing purpose. If you want to test your application as same as like live environment, you can go for this. Let's create a table. Okay, Run this. Okay, table created successfully. Let's add some record and see it's working properly or not. So one row inserted. So we have this record. In this way, we can create a free cloud hosting for Windows or .NET environment and free Microsoft SQL Server for testing. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to give me a like and share this video with your friend. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.